Hello everyone, in this video I will go over 5 best eBay auction tips to make more money. Let's not waste time. Tip number 1 is zoom in. Provide privacy for bidders on sensitive goods. Unless you've set up your listings to private, anyone can identify active bidders on your auction as well as the final buyer. Public listings might turn away potential buyers who prefer to keep their online activity confidential. If you are selling sensitive goods such as high-value items or medical products or adult goods, a private listing could attract shy buyers and increase the number of bids, which is what you want. Tip number 2 is list your goods for 10 days. The longer your auction is up and running, the more exposure to prospective buyers and the higher the chance for competing bidders, driving up the price. Tip number 3 is to start your auction on a Thursday night. To maximize your auction's exposure to potential buyers, start your listing on a Thursday evening. With a 10-day listing, it will end on a Sunday evening, and it will be active for 2 Sundays instead of just 1. Tip number 4 is to allow returns. Allowing buyers to return items reduces the fear of buyer's remorse that might prevent some people from bidding on your item. It gives them a sense of security and they will be willing to pay a little extra for that. Tip number 5 is to offer free shipping. Let me just be straightforward here. These days, buyers expect free shipping and they are put off if you don't offer it. It's just that simple. All right, guys, that was our video on 5 best eBay auction tips to make more money. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for weekly video notifications and some more great tips and tricks. Have a good one, and I will see you next time.